all are enjoying this so much we don't want it to end, but unfortunately we have arrived at our last speaker of the evening. Dr. Amy Woodson-Boulton is professor and past chair of the Department of History here at LMU. A historian of Britain and Ireland, she works on cultural reactions to industrialization and the social role of art, including the history of museums and ideas about nature and primitive society. She teaches modern British, European, and global courses that focus on imperial, cultural, public, and environmental history. I've had the pleasure of taking one of Dr. Woodson-Boulton's classes, and I'm very excited for you all to hear from her tonight. Please welcome Dr. Woodson-Boulton.
I'm so grateful to you, Dr. Genevieve. You know I do. I'll pay you later. All right, yeah. Lots of people have set off to get somewhere and ended up somewhere very different. I mean this literally, like all the explorers who went off to find something and often didn't understand where they were when they got there. But I also mean this figuratively. You never know where ideas or movements will go. This is what we call the contingency of history. Ideas and events are unpredictable, often irrational, and lead to unexpected consequences. Thinking historically means embracing the fact that events only seem inevitable in hindsight. This also means that change is always possible. You can set a destination, but will almost certainly end up somewhere else. Maybe your destination is just another point in the journey. The journey itself can reset your course. It's not either or. It's not your destination. It also matters how you get to where you're going, what you do when you get there, or wherever it is you find yourself.